Welcome back. Now let's continue your exciting journey. As previously mentioned, with our No Secret system, you'll discover two basic skill sets to help you earn unlimited income. One, you'll discover several simple marketing strategies that will help you market this program and anything else you get involved in. With our system, you'll have all the tools and know-how you'll need to get things moving and start receiving some $2,500 affiliate checks right away. Since our affiliate plan is two-tier, you'll also earn income from the efforts of others, namely those that you refer to the program. Each time they introduce someone, you'll earn a whopping $500. How many second-tier affiliates do you want to have in the program? We'll show you where to find them. You can start your marketing training right away. In just a few simple steps, you can be up and running and even earn your first $2,500 check today on the first person you refer. You'll discover several simple ways to do this online without bothering your friends, family, or neighbors. Your minimum goal should be to get at least 3 $2,500 referral checks right away. That will give you more than enough to fund your trading account, pay for your training, and put several $100s in your pocket. 2. The second skill you'll develop is a simple system for trading the E-mini S&P 500 market. Unlike stock trading, with simple index trading, you don't have to be concerned with PE ratios, company profiles, insider trading, earnings reports, or company scandals. Since we're only concerned with the movement of the S&P 500 index price, we can ignore all those things stock traders have to deal with and just make our trades when the simple patterns we show you come up on our free chart. Our training will have you up and running quickly, even if you currently know nothing about the market.
Nope, and I was looking for something simple. I was looking for something, that I didn't think I needed. Rick was talking before, and, his friend has multiple screens, and, I looked at some systems, especially those that follow stocks, and, people are trying to watch data on 20 different stocks at a time or something, and I just said, I just don't see how you can do that. And this just makes so much sense because it's so easy.
For new people who have never traded before, and it's one thing that you don't talk about, Doug, what I'm surprised at, if for those who have never traded before, you got to be careful because we look for these systems, as utopia. The Holy Grail, as you mentioned. Mm-hmm. But one thing that I don't know if you emphasize it enough, if you that are out there have never traded, if this was the biggest sham, okay, let's say the Doug's system is completely erroneous. I don't know what you're charging for the course now, but that knowledge, you understand what I'm saying? If you went and took a course, it would cost you that. If you took a college course to teach you how to trade, you couldn't take a course for that amount of money, because at the end of the week, you would have learned the basics of setting up a platform, of moving stocks, of short selling. I mean, betting against the market. I remember I used to tell people, that I was day trading. They said, well, you must be getting killed. I said, no. I said, I don't care if the market goes up or goes down. All I want is movement. Now, one of the biggest factors in the stock market are these hedge funds. And why are hedge funds so large? Because they can short sell. Mutual funds can't do that, but hedge funds can. So by the end of the week, you would have had this knowledge, and you could take that. You want to take another system or read about it or study it. You have been given the fundamentals, which, like I said, even if you never use Doug's system again, the knowledge that you derived is amazing for that price. It is not $5,000. It's not $6,000. It's not $7,000 like I've paid for courses.
I'm amazed at how quickly, just a few days, I'm feeling really comfortable with your system and the simplicity of it. There's some nuances in there, and I think that the deceptive thing is that you are so laid back, and you just say these little things, you just keep saying them over and over. But after a few days, I start thinking about what you've been saying, and it's so it's wise. All these things, these small cautions you give us, and then these little instructions. And if I had money in there right now, I would have made a ton of money this week, even making mistakes. So I'm quite pleased with it so far.
Well, I appreciate your comments on it, Gregor. So what would you say to somebody who doesn't know anything about trading, and maybe they're looking at the simple system?
Well, I plan to tell a few people about this too. Well, if for the amount of money to put into this and the potential